Hello friends, welcome to KRKela channel. Friends, today we will see important question for Judicial Prelim exam part 2 of CPC. So friends, watch our complete video, like it, share it, comment on it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. We will see question number 25, remaining part. Which of the following deals with the transfer of decree in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number C, section 39. Question number 26. Which of the following sections of the Code of Civil Procedure has been repealed by the Repealing and Amending Act 1952? Answer is option number B, section 154. Question number 27. Which of the following deals with the copy of plaint annexed to summons in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number A, Order 5, Rule 2. Question number 28. Which of the following deals with where the subject matter of the suit is immovable property in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number C, Order 7, Rule 3. Question number 29. Which of the following deals with the procedure when party fails to present written statement called for by court in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number B, Order 8, Rule 10. Question number 30. Which of the following deals with the order for inspection in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number A, Order 11, Rule 18. Question number 31. Which of the following deals with power to order any point to be proved by affidavit in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number C, Order 19, Rule 1. Question number 32. Which of the following deals with the inquiry as to whether applicant is an indigent person in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number A, Order 44, Rule 3. Question number 33. Which of the following deals with the power of Supreme Court to transfer suit in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number C, section 25. Question number 33. Which of the deals with enforcement of decree against legal representative in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number B, section 52. Question number 34. Which of the following deals with suits against foreign rulers, ambassadors and envoys in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number B, section 86. Question number 35. Which of the following deals with appeals to federal court in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number B, section 111A, means 111A. Question number 36. Miscellaneous proceeding are dealt under which of the following in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number D, section 141. Question number 37. Which of the following deals with conduct of suit in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number A, Order 1, Rule 11. Question number 38. Which of the following deals with simultaneous issue of summons for service by post in addition to personal service in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number D, Order 5, Rule 19A. Question number 39. Which of the following deals with the written statement in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number A, Order 8, Rule 1. Question number 40. No decree to be set aside without notice to opposite party under which of the in the Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number D, Order 9, Rule 14. Question number 41. Decree holder is? Answer is option number C, either A or B, means option number A, any person in whose favor a decree has been passed. Option number B, an order capable of execution has been made. Question number 42. Plea of res judicata, means answer is option number A, has to be specifically raised. Question number 43. constructive res judicata is contained in? Answer is option number B, explanation 4 to section 11. Question number 44. Principle of res judicata applies. Answer is option number D, to suits as well as execution proceedings. Question number 45. A decision on issue of law means? Answer is option number C, may or may not operate as res judicata. Question number 46. Res judicata does not operate. Answer is option number C, against a performer defendant. Question number 47. In which of the following cases res judicata is not applicable? Answer is option number C, both A and B. Means option number A, consent compromise decrees. Option number B, dismissal in default. Question number 48. Principle of res judicata is? Answer is option number A, mandatory. Question number 49. In a suit where the doctrine of res judicata applies, the suit is liable to be? Answer is option number B, dismiss. Question number 50. Validity of a foreign judgment can be challenged under section 13 of CPC. Answer is option number A, in a civil court only. Thank you and best of luck, friend.